Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about AMD and how I think AMD stock could potentially go down to $2 to $4. And I'll explain why in this video, why I think AMD is going down. First of all, AMD is getting affected like Apple because AMD business, 1/3 of AMD's business is in China. I don't have any facts or any screens to show you proof. Just trust me on this. A big part of AMD's business is in China. China sells a lot of AMD products. Not only that, AMD has a joint venture with a Chinese company to make Chinese server products. So AMD business is reliant on China, and because China is slowing down, and Apple is getting affected by this, that means that consumers are probably buying less iPads and laptops and are starting to save more because China right now is actually in a recession. China right now is in a recession, and that's not good for the US economy because our US businesses, because US relies on China as a source of revenue and income. That's how things are. But let's say if the Ryzen 3000 series Zen CPU rumor was true, and they did come out with consumer 16 cores, 5.1 gigahertz boost clock speed. If this rumor is true, and they are coming out with, you know, really fantastic CPU architecture technology for 2019, this could prevent the stock from crashing. If this rumor is true, AMD stock's going to be around $15. But if this rumor is false, AMD stock could fall down to $2 to $4. If this rumor is, if this rumor is false, like, it has to be 16 cores. If it's 8 cores with just 5.1 gigahertz, this stock's gonna crash to, it could crash to $2 to $4. I'm not saying it will, I'm saying it could. But this rumor really needs to be true, and then this stock might stabilize around $15, even in a market crash, maybe $10, but it won't ever go back to $2 to $4. At least that's just my opinion. But NVIDIA's taking it hard, and I think AMD is getting affected. Apple's taking it hard, and you know, they're kind of like all related because they're all in the semiconductor slash that kind of business. But yeah, so AMD CES, they're supposed to be launching this product at in the CES time frame. It's going to be on January 9th around 9 to 10 a.m. So on January 9th, that's next week. So I'm expecting AMD stock to plummet to around $15, and then maybe on the 8th it'll start rising for this AMD CES Consumer Electronics Show. And then if the rumors are false, it's probably gonna decline back to $15. And then on January 29th, 2019, if AMD fails to make a profit and the income was a lot lower because of China, AMD stock will get hammered even harder, and we could see the stock in the low $9. And then from there on, it'll probably keep trading and trading and trading until it hits all the way down to $2 to $3, because we're in a bear market, and that's what it's gonna happen. That's the worst case scenario. But if this rumor is true, AMD stock might be saved. So it all depends on the earnings report, what they have to say, and you know, the rumor of the CPU. But if both are positive, and this rumor is true, and AMD is not getting affected by China that much, and they're still making a lot of money and profit, if that is the scenario, AMD stock could go back to $20, $25, maybe even $30 for 2019. But it wouldn't make any sense because we're in a bear market right now. So it wouldn't make any sense for AMD stock to go to $50 while we're in a bear market. Even if this rumor is true, so it might help stabilize the stock if this rumor is true at $15 to $20. May drop to $10. That's just my opinion though, but it's all dependent on this rumor. If this rumor is true, then AMD has a fighting chance. Apple after hours taking a hit. I guess I'm making this video to. By the way, I do have a put option on Apple. Sorry, AMD. I guess I would disclose that. Apple, you know, damn it, I forgot to snap you guys the screenshot, but I was up 400% on Apple, or very close to 400% on Apple. You know, a win from Apple is making back everything I lost last week when I made too short of a put option and the market was rallying and I got clipped on all the put options. Oh well. Intel's business is also in China too. Intel relies on selling, you know, server CPUs and consumer laptops to customers in China. AMD has the bigger market in China, but Intel also has lots of business in China, so that's why Intel's stock got affected. Micron also has a lot of business in cell phones and in China. So this stock should have got affected way more today, but 5% is still pretty bad. Microsoft, Microsoft not so much in China, but it does not make any sense for Microsoft to be even hovering at $97. This stock should be tanking back to like $94, $95, because Apple's tanking down hard and Microsoft should be dragged along with Apple. It kind of was. 3.68% was pretty bad today, but it should be a lot more than 3.68% in my opinion. Amazon, isn't Amazon also get their product from China and they sell product in China too? Shouldn't their stock kind of get affected by this? I mean, the Amazon's biggest business is America, and Europe is like second. China is like, yeah, kind of like, you know, not as big, but still, Amazon is also getting dragged down with Apple. So I think Amazon's going down. I tried to do a put option on Amazon, but damn, it's so expensive to buy a put option for Amazon. It was also very expensive to buy a put option for Netflix. Let me type in Netflix. Netflix went down 10 cents. I kind of broke my rule today. I bought three put options today. So I couldn't help myself. I saw Netflix at $75, so I bought one contract for like freaking like $700 or $800 at the peak though. So I got a pretty good deal out of it. But I mean, still, it doesn't feel it's so expensive to buy a Netflix contract right now, because I'm betting so many people are putting put contracts on Netflix that the price has gone up like dramatically. So Namaste gave back a lot of its rally. Tomorrow will determine, like, if it dips below $1, that shows a lot of weakness. But if it rallies back to 110, 120, then that shows, you know, decent strength. The volume was really crazy on it today, 9.4 million. That's so crazy. I have a video in my stock market membership group about Namaste, so if you haven't seen it, check it out. I talk about why I think Namaste stock went up. Aurora, you know, declined today after hours, like up 1 cent, but this is the American side. CGC also showing very weak. The volume on Aurora and CGC is pretty low too. Tilray, you know, I think I know I could get lucky and Tilray could just pop to $80, before declining, but I don't think so. I think I'm gonna lose my entire position on Tilray. I could be wrong though. I have a call option on Tilray, so I could lose that position, but who knows. NBev is not, I'm like being a bitch, not going down to $4 like I wanted to, so I can buy back in. Oh well, whatever. I'll be patient. I'm hoping this stock goes to below $3. That would be awesome. Joom is, I don't know why I have Joom up here, but Joom has been a flat dead stock lately. No, I'm pretty bitter about Joom, and I'm probably not gonna buy any more Joom unless it goes to 25 cents. If it goes to 25 cents, or like in the low 30 cents, I may pick up some for fun. But if it goes to 25 cents, I'll make a big purchase in Joom, because I don't think it can go any lower than 25 cents. I mean, I could totally be wrong though. Madman, I don't know, like, I think Madman's gonna decline soon, because I can't see Madman rallying back to $6 or $8. I say the best it can get up to is $5, and then it'll just fall back down. At least that's just my opinion. I'm hoping it goes back down to like $3.40. Would be nice. It would be a very nice swing trade if that was the scenario. I made a decent amount of money off Madman swing trading it. Afria, I don't trust this company. I probably won't buy it no matter what the price is, just because I don't trust the company. So I mean, I think there's like so many other companies to buy out there. Acreage Holdings, if it ever goes back to $10, yeah, it would be awesome buy. But let's see, I guess $12 to $10, $13 to $14 would be a nice buy on it. Let's see where it goes. It's still a very, very new IPO, and I think it's manipulated, so it could go all the way to like $50, but then it'll probably decline back to $25. So I don't know, because I think this stock is being manipulated. We'll see what happens though. I think the stock should be declining back with the rest of the market, and I think it's gonna end up in like $13 to $12 range eventually. But if it keeps rallying up, that would shock me. And so Hexo did a nice run today. I don't know why. Was there any news? Hexo reaches construction license milestone for their 1 million square feet. That was on December 27th. It's January 3rd. So no, December 27th was right here. It was $4.26. So what was the news that made it rally up? There's absolutely no news. It's just popping. So I'm thinking that it should decline back to $4.26. But we'll see what happens. I mean, this stock used to be like $8. So if you get it like $4, you definitely will double your money. So yeah, because I do think that, Hexo will probably go back to $8. Probably, I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I think. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.